In this video, I will show you how you can find who is logged in your Facebook account, who is using your Facebook account. After watching this video, you will be able to find out that person, and you can also remove that person from using your Facebook account. If anytime you feel anything suspicious in your Facebook account, the messages, the friend request and the other notification which you don't have to anything, then you can check this. Tap on the three vertical line and your profile picture of the top right corner. You will find settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Here in settings, you will find a search bar in top right corner, and here search for logged, and you will find where you are logged in, this option. Click on this. This will redirect you to that page where your account is logged in. Here is my Facebook account and my Instagram account is linked, and it shows all these devices are logged in my Facebook account. You can check one by one. If you find any device suspicious, you can log out from that. Select devices to log out, click on that, and now you will be able to select the devices which are suspicious, which you don't have logged in before. If you find any device like that, then select the device which you want to log out. You can select multiple at once. Tap on logout. You have been successfully logged out from that devices. For security purpose, you can log out from all the devices so that you can make it clean, and then log in with your login credentials. By this way, you can find who is using your Facebook account or who is logged in your Facebook account. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.